It is a mistake to think time is going. Time is not going. Time is here until the world ends. It is you that is going. You don't waste time. Time is infinite. You waste yourself. You are finite. It is you that grows old and die. Time doesn't. So make better use of yourself before you expire. And one of the worst things to do with time is comparing yourself to others. A cow eats grass and gets fat, but if dog eats grass, it will die. Never compare yourself with others. Run your race. What works for one person may be that which will kill you. Focus on the gifts and talents God gave you and don't be envious of the blessings He gave others. Both lion and shark are professional hunters, but a lion cannot hunt in the ocean and a shark cannot hunt in the jungle. That a lion cannot hunt in the ocean doesn't make him useless, and that a shark cannot hunt in the jungle doesn't also make him useless. Both have their own territory where they can do well. If a rose smells better than tomatoes, it doesn't mean the rose can make a better stew. Don't try to compare yourself to others. You also have your own strength, look for it and build on it. All animals that exist were in Noah's Ark. A snail is one of those animals. If God could wait long enough for snails to enter Noah's Ark, His door of grace won't close till you reach your expected position in life. Never look down on yourself, keep looking up. Remember that broken crayon still colors keep on pushing, you never can tell how close you are to your goal. It is a new year, brace up, your time has come. Happy New Year once again.